Hello guys, welcome to the channel. I hope you all are fine and doing great. Today we are going to discuss this largest number with given some problem of GFG. So let's move on to the problem guys. So in this problem guys, we are given basically this is a statement. I am telling you the summary of the statement. Here we are given n and as two variable. Now here geek has a password. Geek has a password which contain n digits which contain n digits and the sum of all these n digits means S0 plus up to this will contain all the digits between S1 to Sn minus 1 to Sn n minus 1, okay, is equal to S. Okay, so P uh, gigs contain a password P which contain n digits and the sum of digits is S. Okay, now S these digit can be between 0 to 9. Okay, and it digit between 0 to 9. So now geek thought this password but it remained n and s. So now we have to find out what is the password by n and s. So let's see guys how we will do it. So solving it for 5 and 12. Okay, n is equal to 5, n is equal to 12, and the most important condition is here that uh, is this that is his password is the largest number of n digit. Okay, this is a very important. Largest number means in first plate it if it is possible then it will contain 9. How many 9 it can be? Then 8, then 7, then 6, because we can order, like suppose if the digits are 4 and the sum is 5. Okay, then we can put 1 2 3 no yes 1 2 1 0 0 0 0 0. This can be a password whose sum is this is 1 1 1 2 2 1. Okay, of 1 2 3 4. Okay, some take sum as 4 and digits as 5. Okay, so 5 digit password whose sum is equal to 4. This, but the maximum possible number is 2 1 1 0 0, and other maximum possible number is 4, then 4 times 0, because 4 times 0 because 40,000 is greater than 21,000. So in the very first place we always want to put as maximum number as possible. Okay, I hope you'll understand what I want to say now. Just on the approach. So okay guys, so now guys we will see, we will find out the count of 9. We will find the count of 9. How many 9? Suppose, okay, how many 9 we can put in our number? Now 9 divided by 12 divided by 9, 12 divided by 9, it will return as 1. Means s means in for satisfying s term, the sum is equal to s. The maximum number of 9 we can put is 1. Okay, so our answer is equal to answer, this is our answer, string contain 19 as a character, and it will left with 4 places now. Okay, and s will become 12 modulo 9, because it will remain the remainder of 9 now, so it is 3. Now in the very next place of our 9 we will put, if any modulo remain, like here 3 remain, then I will put 0 here, 3 here, then all the left number, all the how many left number, n, that is total number, minus total number of 9 come, that is 1, minus minus if this is remainder, that is 1. If it is, suppose it is 9, suppose if it is 9, then this will 0, so we will not subtract anything. So now n minus 2, n is 5, so 5 minus 2 is equal to 3, so we will put 3 0 now, 3 0. So this is the required number. Now suppose guys, if we have a number like, if we have a number like n is equal to 4, n is equal to 4, s is equal to 19. Suppose now our 9 is equal to, now our 9 means number of 9 possible is 19 divided by 9, that is 2. Now s became 19 modulo 9, it is 1, because a multiple of 9 we take here, so we are just remain with remainder of 9. Okay, so here what we will do now, we will put two number of 9 in our s. this is our s, so we will put two number of 9. Suppose take it as 18. Okay, take it as 18, so it will become 0. Okay, here 2 9 in, as well now, because 18 divided by 9 is equal to 2. So now here we are left with two places. As there is modulo is equal to 0, modulo is equal to 0, so we will not put anything. And now how many n we are, how many digits we are left with? 4 minus 4 minus this 2, 4 minus this 2. Okay, so we will put 0 0. Or guys, we can say this is a string. If we had made this much string, then n minus 2, instead of 2 we can write answer dot size, answer dot size. Okay, similarly, here you can see, instead of subtracting n minus 2, we can just subtract n minus answer dot size, that is equal to 2. And one more condition here, guys. One more condition here. Suppose if our n is equal to 5, n is equal to 5, and suppose s is equal to 1000, that is equal to 1000. Suppose now we can never be able to form a 5-digit number whose sum is equal to 1000. Okay, now what is the maximum number? Minimum number can be anything, because minimum number is 0, and we will put 0 0 n number of times if it is given 0. But the maximum number we can make is 9 into n. N should be greater than or is equal to s, because it means if we put 9 at for all n places, then the sum is maximum. Like for 5 digit, maximum number that we can make of 5 digit is 9 9 9 9 9. What is the sum of these digits? Is 9 into n, that is 9 into 5, that is 9 into 5 is equal to 45. Okay, now if our s is in the limit of 45, if our s is in the limit of 45 means it is at most 45, then we are able to form a number. Elsewise we have to return -1, means no answer possible. Okay guys, so now let's see the code. So I tell, if my sum is greater than 9 into n, means it is out of the limit, then we just return -1. Now we have taken 9, initialize it with 0, and 9 is equal to sum divided by 9. The number of 9, it can be contained the number of character 9, okay, in the sum, and sum is equal to modulo 9. Okay, then I am taken a string my answer. If my 9 is equal to 0, suppose now why 9 is equal to 0? Suppose if I have a n is equal to 5 and s is equal to 2, s is equal to 2, then 2 divided by 9 is equal to 0, so 0 number of 9 will come here, and modulo 2 is sums will remain 2, sum will remain 2, this is 5, sum will remain 2, so here 2 will come. Now here no 0, no 0, here 2 will come, here 2 will come. So this is my string. Now what is my string dot size? It is 1, size is 1. So how many 0 will come here? N minus string dot size, that is 1, n minus 1 is equal to 4. Okay, so that's why here you can see no 9 is coming. Okay, that's why I am writing, if I have some number of 9, then my answer is equal to string 9 comma 9. Now what is 9 comma 9? This is a function of string, this is a function of string. If I write string, this is string, into some into value, into some int value like x, into a character, then it will return me a string containing 9 character x number of time. Like if I write 2 here, if I write 5 here, then I will contain a string of 5 digit whose all the 5 digit are is equal to 9. This is 9. Okay, if I will put 0 here, then all will be 0 of size. Okay, I will get a string of size x whose each character is this. Okay, this is the string 9 comma 9 function, or you can do using a while loop in which you are adding a character particular number of times. Okay, and if my sum modulo 9 is not is equal to 0, means I have some left in my sum. So answer plus is equal to sum plus 0. Now why sum plus 0? Sum is an int value, and I am adding int value in my string, so I will make it character by adding 0 character, so that now sum plus 0 will be a character. Now answer plus is equal to string. Now again string, how many number of times 0 will come, but how many number of time? N minus answer dot size, means answer dot size is the already make string. Okay, already make string, and the left number is left number of digit we have to add is n minus already make string, that is n minus answer dot size 0 character will be at, and at last I just return 0. So I am just running the code. So you can see 93,000 answer, but suppose if it is like 4 and 2, 4 and 3, okay. Now it will show me 3000 as the answer. You can see, okay, no 9 is coming. That's why I write 9 greater than should be 0. You can ignore this because if it is 0, then of size 0 you will go. But just for edge cases, I just write it because sometimes it will create problem else as well. Okay. So I hope guys you will understand the problem. If not, then just dry run for 2-3 cases, you will easily understand. I hope you like the content, so please subscribe the channel, like the video, and press the bell button, and be with me for future videos as well. And you can check out my channel for more these type of videos. Thank you for watching this, guys.